Hi, it's Sarah here with a Journal Sesh Sunday page. I am this week using my leftovers from the sweet treat box from February, and today I'm journaling about my little boy he's just turned one now. This picture was taken a couple of days before his birthday, and he's really started to have those little tantrums, and they're ever so comical because he gets ever so cross, and he even does little glares at you sometimes as well. So I thought I'd just do a little bit of a layout about that, talking about what he's like at this age, to look back on. So to begin with, I just grabbed a few journaling cards, and then I ripped apart some of the pattern papers, that granulated kind of grey paper, and because he's got that red onesie on, I thought this kit went quite well. It's sort of quite Valentine's themed, so I'm just now sort of spaced out what I'd generally like on the page. I'm now going to do a little bit of background painting. So I've taken a grey, I think it's called rain grey, little rainbow moon paint, and then I've added some rusty rose and sugar plum, I think it was, on top of that. And those two are really shimmery. And then I've taken some light paste, which is less dimensional than texture paste. It's a bit thinner, it's easy to spread around, and I'm just using a stencil by AB Studios here to spread that around. And now I'm happy with that and it's dried. I'm going to start piecing together the papers. I like to add torn elements to my page. I think it looks more grungy or organic. So I have ripped apart this piece, and then I'm just balancing from one page to the other so that there's a little bit of all the colours going from one to the other. And as you saw at the beginning, can't talk, I've also fussy cut out the picture. I'm really into doing that at the moment. I love how it looks, so I've fussy cut out my little boy so that the papers will be part of the background rather than it just being like the room behind him, like I think it's like the radiator cover or something behind him. So, you know, I may as well just have pretty pattern behind him instead. And then for this journaling card, I really wanted to use it, so all I've done is cut it in half and then just give it a good crease down that middle to make sure it tucks into the fold, and I'll be using that to write my journaling on. I also found that behind there it was too white, so I wanted a bit more paint there just so that my little boy kind of pops off the page a little bit more. And then I'm just giving that a quick dry with my heat tool as well, just so that I don't have to wait around, and then sticking him down there. I've got these lovely stickers from the sticker sheets that came, and I'm just doing a bit of a border at the top to balance the red of his onesie at the bottom, and then I add a few extra little red elements here and there as well, including these little stitch hearts. And then I do my title. I do fuss about with this, so I do cut that out so you don't have to watch it. It's quite painful because it takes me a while to kind of fit it in nicely. I should have counted the letters to begin with, but never mind. And that says Grumpelstiltskin, which is his most recent nickname. And now I'm happy with my background. I just want to layer up some colour over the top of the papers so that they kind of blend in with the background a little more. So I'm adding this time some beautiful pale pink. I think it's called Ballet. Oh no, it's called Tutu, and it's a lovely shimmery pink colour. And then I also just trim off any bits that are hanging over the edge as well. And now I'm happy with how that's looking. I do my journaling and write on cue. I don't know if you can hear it. It might not be on video. My little boy's having a little bit of a hissy fit downstairs. And I'm just writing my journaling here. I also add that typewriter in just because I like it. It's a cute little sticker. And then I also add a few puffy stickers that have been in my stash for years. I've been trying to use up just little bits here and there just to try and get things used up so that I can turn my craft room into a nursery, which he's currently still residing in my bedroom. So here is my final page, a bit of a close-up for you there. You can see how the paint shimmers really nicely. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel and you would like to see more from me, then please do subscribe, and I will see you next Sunday for another journaling session. Have a great evening, everyone. Bye.